Hey guys, so as expected, today Apple has released the third beta for their next major release, iOS 26.5. Developer Beta 3 is now available to download to registered developers, and as per usual, public beta testers, you'll most likely see this one populate for you within the next 24 to 48 hours. Now, this confirms that Apple has now switched to a weekly release schedule. Last week they released beta 2, this week beta 3. This means Apple will soon be releasing iOS 26.5 to the general public in just a couple of weeks. Now we'll talk about the expected release date here in just a couple of minutes. Now keep in mind, aside from iOS 26.5 beta 3, Apple also released iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, HomeOS, tvOS, and visionOS 26.5 Developer Beta 3, all available to download to registered developers as of today. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what's new within this latest beta. So the first thing I want to talk about is overall performance, and you guys are going to be happy to hear that iOS 26.5 Beta 3 fixes any performance issues in terms of animation and frame drops. Now with Beta 2, there was this weird issue when you unlock your iPhone, the home screen animation would experience some frame drops. Also, the liquid glass shine around the icons were sort of glitchy, and frame drops were all over the place with Beta 2. With Beta 3, no more frame drops, navigating the OS feels very buttery smooth, and everything in terms of this operating system is just flowing very, very nicely. So in terms of overall performance from Beta 2 to Beta 3 is an entirely new experience. It feels completely different. Navigating is so much nicer now, and everything feels very, very polished, as I mentioned. Look at this. Everything is just flowing, no frame drops. Everything is nice and fluid as you would expect. So hopefully this will translate to the final build for iOS 26.5. Now, code within the software suggests that Apple may be working on a new wallpaper collection. So specifically, a new Pride wallpaper collection could be coming with iOS 26.5. Now, as of right now, there isn't any new Pride wallpaper collection. Obviously, if Apple makes new wallpapers available, I'll make sure to follow up with you guys and share those with you guys. But as of right now, code within the software suggests that Apple could very well be introducing a new Pride wallpaper collection with the official release of iOS 26.5. Now, something else I did want to mention is that Apple is actively working on a new software update, iOS 26.4.2. According to Mac Rumors visitor logs, Apple engineers are actively testing this new software update that could be available relatively soon. Now, keep in mind, although Apple is actively working on this new software update, it doesn't necessarily mean that they will release this new software update. Obviously, I'll keep you guys posted. If it does drop, I'll follow up with another video, but as of right now, we know that Apple is working on this software update, and I'll keep you guys posted. So now let's talk about when we can expect iOS 26.5 to be officially released to the general public. Now, if history is any indication, last year, iOS 18.5 saw 4 betas, the RC, then official release. Now, if history is any indication, iOS 26.5 may have another beta on RC, then the official release. So keep in mind, if Apple plans to release this software update altogether instead of releasing iOS 26.4.2, which we just talked about, then I would believe that iOS 26.5 would release the first or second week of next month, the month of May. So on Monday the 4th or Monday the 11th. Typically, we see these software updates on a Monday. Now, keep in mind, if Apple decides to push iOS 26.5 even further, then they could release 26.4.2 sometime this week or next week, then pushing the official release of iOS 26.5 towards mid to late May. And I'll keep you guys posted. Obviously, we could see again another beta, RC, then official release for iOS 26.5, and we could also see 26.4.2 before the next major update, perhaps fixing some bugs and issues within iPhone before the next major release. I'll keep you guys posted. There's a lot happening right now. Just make sure to stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.